So let me just cut out the print. And next will be guys Rhino Horn if I get a good support in this video. So hit the like button and also new viewers subscribe. Your choice. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just rub it slowly because I don't want the color to get out. I mean come out from the template because it's printed colors. Who is blowing crackers? Bro, it's not Diwali. Okay, let's just put it here. Now let's make the 560 or 580 ratchet designs. Okay. Okay, I think it's time now. Okay. Oh, sticky glue. Oh, I think I just burned the launcher anyway. Okay. Oh, wow. Just look at that, guys. It's looking beautiful. Perfect colors. I know you can't see that much properly in my camera, but I can see very properly, guys. It's very, very colorful. Wow. Perfect, guys. Okay guys, it's time for scissors. Let's just quickly make the Beyblade. So okay guys, now it's time to make the Beyblade. So here's our HellsChain. All the cardboard pieces are done. So now let's just quickly make the Beyblade. Okay guys, we are almost done with the layer, but it's still we need to do some shaping. Okay guys, I think we're almost done with the layer, and yeah, it looks pretty much similar to the real HellsChain. Wow, not bad, not bad. Just let me give a little bit of detailing with my soldering iron. And yeah, this is very hot. I can burn my finger anytime, but yeah, I'm professional, you know. Okay guys, now it's time to apply some super glue because we really need to make this Beyblade stronger like the original one. Almost like the original one. I cannot make this Beyblade same to same like the original one, but at least a little bit stronger with this super glue. So let's do this. just give into the inner core. Sticky. Okay, now let's make the ratchet 560. What? Oh, sorry. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ah! Last piece. Last piece for the ratchet. Let's go, bro. Okay. So yeah, guys, we are almost done with the ratchet 560 or 580. Anything you want to say? Okay, so guys, yeah, the ratchet is almost done. But yeah, you also have to do some more shaping on the ratchet because it's not looking similar to the real one. Okay, now I think, guys, the ratchet is really looking like a ratchet. Yeah, it really gained a star shape, you can see. Perfect. Okay, guys, now it's time for the last part, and that is the bit. So let's see if I can find a marker pen head. Oh yes, I have one, but I know, guys, it's not the red color because, you know, HellsChain comes with the red color bit, high tapered, I guess, but this one is yellow. What the? Yes. Oh, right to the tree. Okay, now let's make the HellsChain bit. Okay, it's actually pretty similar to the bit level. Okay, the bottom part is almost done, as you can see, but yeah, it's looking like attack type tip, so we are going to make it look like balance type. Yeah, guys, looking pretty much similar to the balance type bit of HellsChain, the high tapered. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay. Okay, guys, so the bit is fully ready now, but I don't know, is it too much tall or enough for HellsChain? Let's go, let's check it out. Nah, it's a little bit tall, so let's just cut a little bit. Okay, come on, dude, cut. Stick it fully at here, guys. Okay, this will help, guys, a little bit better gripping. Okay, guys, now it's time to add some colors because it's almost evening right now and the video quality is very, very worst for me. I don't know how it's looking, guys. Please let me know. Okay, let's just quickly color the Beyblade. Don't need that much color on the layer, but let's just do it, guys. Let's just give it a little bit of realistic look. Come on, quickly, quickly. Okay, guys, the layer is done. Red plus blue and a little bit of purple. And finally the ratchet. Yeah, really going to make it fully red. Okay, guys, here we go. Our Beyblade is fully ready. And we also have the bit. I think, guys, this yellow color bit looks pretty much okay with HellsChain because of this yellow color fire theme, you can see. So yeah, it looks pretty much accurate. So I will keep the yellow one. But still, if it's not looking good, so let me know in the comments. Okay, so guys, here's our new HellsChain Beyblade with both button system with full BX system. Okay, now let's put the bait together. Wow, guys, looking very, very cool. And I just gave a little bit of red color on the bait to make it look a little bit similar with the Beyblade. Okay, wow, guys, fits very well. Wow, perfect red with yellow and a little bit of silver and with some black. Okay, wow, balance type Beyblade HellsChain, let's go. Sure. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Okay. Yeah, guys, you can clearly see the balance type performance. Sometime attack and sometime a little bit of stamina balance. And now at the center, shoot. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, first leaving out finish. 1, go, shoot. Okay, HellsChain versus Grand Driver. Whoa, wow. Both Beys losing its stamina, especially Grand Driver. Oh, shoot. Let's go. Okay. And HellsChain draw.